Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about cockroach excretory system. Excretion means elimination of nitrogenous waste from the body is called excretion. Cockroaches are uricotelic organisms. Which organisms excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid? In the form of uric acid is called uricotelic organisms. The excretory organs are Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are long, tubular, unbranched structures. Malpighian tubules are long, tubular, unbranched, yellow-colored structures. The number of Malpighian tubules is 100 to 150. Malpighian tubules present between the midgut and hindgut. Malpighian tubules collects nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph to hindgut. Hemolymph to hindgut. Proximal part, distal part. Proximal part is absorptive part. Distal part is secretory part. This is hemolymph. Malpighian tubules are internally lined by glandular cells and ciliated cells. Glandular cells and ciliated cells. Glandular and ciliated cells. The hemolymph Malpighian tubules collects the nitrogenous waste, water and some salts are absorbed by distal part, and these cells secretes into the lumen. Distal part absorbs the nitrogenous waste, water and some salts. These cells secretes into the lumen. These glandular cells are ciliated cells, secretes into the lumen. The proximal part absorb water and some essential elements. Finally, the excretory waste is released into the hindgut. The urine is pushed into the hindgut. More water is reabsorbed. This is rectum. More water is reabsorbed by rectal papillae. Present in the rectum. These rectal papillae used for the conservation of water. This conservation mechanism is essential for the terrestrial organisms. The removal of nitrogenous waste material through the alimentary canal helps in the complete reabsorption of water from the waste materials. Finally, it forms the uric acid, dried uric acid. It is adaptation. It is the adaptation for the conservation of water. It is essential for the terrestrial organisms. In addition, other organisms are also involved in the excretion. Fat bodies, uricose gland, cuticle, nephrocytes. These are also involved in the excretion. Fat bodies are called corpora adiposa. Fat bodies are also called corpora adiposa. Urate cells present in the fat bodies. These urate cells absorb and store the waste materials. Uric acid throughout the life. So these are called storage excretion. Storage excretion means urate cells absorb and stores uric acid throughout life. So it is called storage excretion. Uricose glands. Uric acid stores in the uricose glands of the mushroom glands. Uric acid stores in the uricose glands of the mushroom glands. These are the male reproductive organs. Cuticle also eliminate the uric acid during the moltings. Nephrocytes also eliminate the excretory materials, excretory substance. Next, nervous system of cockroach. Nervous system extends throughout the body. Nervous system has double ventral nerve cord and ganglias. Ganglia means a group of cell bodies present in the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. A group of cell bodies or cytons present in the peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Total 9 ganglia are present in the cockroach. 3 are present in thoracic region: prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax, and 6 ganglia present in the abdomen. First abdominal ganglia present in the first segment. Second abdominal ganglia present in the second segment. Third abdominal ganglia present in the third segment. Fourth abdominal ganglia present in the fourth segment. Fifth ganglia present in the sixth segment. Sixth ganglia present in the seventh segment. Fifth segment has no ganglia. Fifth ganglia present in the sixth segment. Sixth ganglia present in the seventh segment. Sixth ganglia is the largest ganglia. Sixth ganglia is the largest ganglia because seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th ganglia fused to form sixth ganglia. Sixth ganglia is largest ganglia because seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th segmental ganglia fused to form sixth ganglia. Head has supraesophageal ganglia. Supraesophageal ganglia. Supraesophageal ganglia mean supraesophageal ganglia also called brain. Supraesophageal ganglia fused by three ganglia fused to form brain or supraesophageal ganglia. Subesophageal ganglia. This is subesophageal ganglia. This supraesophageal ganglia, this subesophageal ganglia. These are connected by circumesophageal ganglia. Circumesophageal ganglia. These three forms, supra, circum, and subesophageal ganglia, forms nerve ring. Nerve ring formed by supraesophageal ganglia, subesophageal ganglia, and circumesophageal ganglia. These three forms nerve ring. Nerve ring surrounds the esophagus. Nerve ring surrounds the esophagus. So, nerve ring is called circumesophageal nerve ring. Circumesophageal nerve. Double ventral nerve cord formed from the subesophageal ganglia. Double ventral nerve cord formed from the subesophageal ganglia. These double ventral nerve cord is connected by ganglia. This double ventral nerve cord is connected by ganglia. The peripheral nervous system. Each ganglia forms nerves. Gives nerves. First thoracic ganglia supplies first thoracic segments. Second thoracic ganglia supplies nerves to second segment. Third thoracic ganglia supplies nerves to the third ganglia and first abdominal ganglia. First abdominal ganglia supplies nerves to the second segment. Second abdominal segment. Second abdominal ganglia supplies nerves third segmental ganglia. Third segmental ganglia supplies nerves fourth segment. Fourth abdominal ganglia supplies nerves fifth segment. Fifth abdominal ganglia supplies nerves to the sixth segment. Sixth abdominal ganglia supplies nerves to the seventh segment, eighth segment, ninth segment, and 10th segment. If the cockroach head is cut, it will survive 1 week. Because little bit of nervous system present in the head. If the head of cockroach is cut, it will survive 1 week because only little bit of nervous system is present in the head. Remaining nervous system is present in the total body. Next, receptors are respiratory organs. Respiratory organs are compound eye, labial pulp, maxillary pulp, and anal cerci. Anal cerci receives air vibrations. Anal cerci receives air vibrations. These are phonoreceptors. These are phonoreceptors. These are phonoreceptors. Next, compound eye. A pair of dark colored kidney shaped compound eyes are present on the dorsal side of the head. These are compound eyes. Each compound eye composed of visual units. These visual units are called ommatidia. Each compound eye contains 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. Each compound eye contains 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. This is ommatidia, individual ommatidia. The outer surface of ommatidia is called cornea. Cornea is covered by hexagonal facets. It is biconvex transparent lens. Biconvex transparent part. Cornea is secreted by corneagen cells. Next, cornea is refractive region of the ommatidium. Refractive region is cornea. Cornea is refractive region. Corneagen cells secretes cornea. Next, corneagen cells. These are corneagen cells. Corneagen cells secrete cornea and then it converts into primary pigment sheet and it forms primary pigment sheet. Then iris pigment sheet. Primary pigment sheet or iris pigment sheet. Next, cone cells. Cone cells are transparent cells. Crystalline cone is secreted by cone cells. Next, retinulae. Elongated cells present in the ommatidium is retinular cells. These are elongated cells. These are seven cells. These seven cells combined to form rhabdome, central rod-like structure called rhabdome. This rhabdome contains photoreceptor pigments. This rhabdome contains photoreceptor pigments. Retinular cells secretes secondary pigment sheet. Retinular cells secretes secondary pigment sheet. Secondary pigment sheet or retinular sheet. Retinular cells secretes secondary pigment sheet or retinular pigment sheet. This sheet separates the ommatidium and absorbs light. This secondary pigment sheet absorbs the light and separates each ommatidium. Cornea and cone cells forms focus region. These are also called dioptrical region. Retinular cells and rhabdome combine to forms retinular region or receptor region. Retinular cells and rhabdome forms receptor region or retinular region. Retinular cells are arranged on the basement membrane. These are receptor cells. These are also called reticular cells, also called receptor cells. Light enters into the cornea. Light receives cornea and it enters into the crystalline cone and rhabdome. Several ommatidia of compound eye receives several images of an object. Several ommatidia receives several images of an object. This vision is called mosaic vision. Mosaic vision is more sensitive and less resolution. Mosaic vision occurs in nocturnal insects. Example, cockroaches.